Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your UGreen WS100 earbuds to Android phone. Okay, so first of all you have to open the case and be sure that they are charged at least to 50%. On the back you can find the USB-C input. So open the case. As you can see, they are activated and one of them is blinking blue and white. It means that they are in the pairing mode. If it is not working in your case, so I mean the pairing mode is not automatically turned on, I can show you how you can turn it on manually. So basically you have to take them out of the case, click and hold together, take a look on the indicators. When it turns white, it means that they are turned off. Next we have to click and hold another time together until one of these indicators start blinking blue and the white quickly. The last one is blinking. It means that the pairing mode is activated manually. So go for the Bluetooth settings on your phone, click to pair new device, take a look on available devices list, select your UGreen WS100, click pair, and as you can see right now, you are connected. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.